What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Ease Computer Solutions. So Huawei have sent me out their latest smartwatch for review. It's the Huawei Watch GT, and it's supposed to have some standout features along with elegant look and some long battery life. So we're gonna unbox it and see what it's all about. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I got the Huawei Watch GT on deck. So let's unbox it and see what it's all about. Looking at the box is a nice presentation with the watch imprint on the top and the name in all gold on the side. Taking off the top cover reveals the watch, and wow, seeing it for the first time, I can tell you it has a really good presentation with its gold insignia right on the side and the watch right on top. And pulling the watch out the sleeve, it feels good and it looks good. So let's go on and see what else we have in the box. Pulling the tab up, it reveals the charging cable, which is USB Type-C. Lastly, you have all the books and stuff. Well, let's take a minute and look at this watch. Wow, this watch is beautiful. It has a nice elegant design with a leather strap with a saddle brown color. And I can tell you, it's a premium, solid premium watch. So let's talk about some of the key features that this watch have in tow. It has amazing battery life, supposed to last up to 30 days with its dual engine smart power saving technology that switches between performance and efficiency to extend the battery life. It also have all the fitness stuff that you know and love, such as walking, running, cycling, swimming, and all the training stuff that you need to get fit and stay fit. The Huawei Watch GT also features TrueScene 3.0 heart rate monitoring. This technology provides real-time measurements of your heart rate, and it learns as it goes. So booting up the watch and pairing it to my phone for the first time, I received a few updates and enhancements to fix some of the previous bugs that it had. So once I got the watch up and running and all the updates done, let's talk about some of the things that you could do on this watch. So when you scroll to the left and right, you see all your steps, weather, and real-time heart rate. When you pull down from the top, you see your battery stats, do not disturb, it shows the clock, you can lock the screen, and all your settings. When you pull from the bottom, you see all your messages. So when you press the top button, you're greeted with a host of features such as notification, settings, and stopwatch. When you press the bottom button, you get all your workout menu. As far as the look, is a very classy look and look like Huawei paid attention to details because this watch looks good and it feels good. Huawei have two versions of this watch. It's a sporty graphite black, which sells for about $199, and I have this one right here, which sells for $299. I will leave all the links down in the description below. I want to thank Huawei for sending this watch out for review, and I'm gonna do a follow-up video to give you guys some long-term feedback on how the watch is in the long-term realm. So stay tuned and subscribe. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Huawei Watch GT in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.